I'm just making my breakfast. I'm making some savory oats. I'm water sauteing some onion. Just want to burn the sulfur off of this. And add some mushrooms. I love having savory oats for breakfast. I'm not a person that eats a lot of sweets, so this is really perfect for me. I'm going to add a little bit more water to this. And I have some already steamed broccoli. Just going to throw this in. And I'm going to top this with a half a cup of already cooked big flake oatmeal. Now that's bubbling up there. I'm just going to grab a bowl for my oats. There we go. And I'm going to add just about a tablespoon of some soy sauce. And this, my friends, is savory oats for breakfast. See how quickly that comes together? If you have the ingredients, you can just throw it all in your pan. This is a big bowl of nutrient-dense goodness. And I'm going to top this off with a little bit of avocado. There we go. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.